Lakshopnani and I'm pursuing BTech CS in second semester from the university, Kalinga University. And it was a really great and fun experience in participating in this robotics workshop.
Hello, this is Lipika Panchan and I'm pursuing BTech CS second semester and I am an IEEE member of student branch. I have been attending this workshop of robotics since the last 1 week and this was a really nice experience attending this workshop, and the trainers were also so supportive, knowledgeable and engaging as well as enthusiastic. So I learned a lot from this training.
Hello everyone, my name is Gibson Lako. I am a student of BTech Mechanical. In the first place, I would like to give much thanks to the Department of IEEE SB Kalinga University Student Branch. During the program, we really gained a lot of experience. It also knowledgeable competition or training.
I'm Shweta Singh. I'm pursuing BTech CS from this Kalinga University, and I'm also a member of IEEE student branch. I would like to thank Vijay Lakshmi ma'am and all the faculties regarding this one week hand workshop, and I would also like to thank all the volunteers and IEEE members for this wonderful opportunity. And we had learned a lot from this workshop. I had learned about Arduino ID and Arduino boards.
Hello everyone, here I am Aishwarya Sharma from branch Bachelors of Computer Application, second sem. This robotic workshop held first time in Kalinga University from Dr. Vijay Lakshmi ma'am were so amazing that we as a student we had learned so many things. For example, how to connect Arduino board and motor driver, how to use, how to make a robot and how to make it use in different fields and programs. Thank you.
I'm by the name Sotumoito Moduma Iparas, during the course of BTech CS second semester. And as we had been participating in the robotics, according to my experience, I learned a lot because the presentation has been so wonderful. With the explanation, everything has been so marvelous that I gained a lot, and I learned also a lot of things about the Arduinos and various things about the robotics. And according to my request, I really appreciate it. According to me, I appreciate it because it has been more valuable and so satisfactory. And I would like to make a request of more should be done again to keep on improving our skills. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I am Kushal Jain from MC second sem Kalinga University. So here's I have the one workshop which I attended from 6 days, and in this 6 days I learned a lot of the things. So right from first day we just learned how to the hardware things, how the type of sensors are there, the Arduino types, so and how to just connect the IDs from the Arduino. And on the second day we just learned about the software part, like to the ID in programmable part of the Arduino, then how to program something, how to just dump the code with the help of ID and all that. So from the 3rd days and now to 6 days, there's 4 days we just have the hand-on training, like how to just embed the things, how to just connect all the parts of the Arduino from the sensors and the robots to just complete mechanism of the robot. So with the help of the jumper wires, the connectivities are there on the sensors and all the Arduino boards. So by that we just make, firstly we have just make the robot which is controlled by the any TV remote with the help of IR sensors and IR receivers. And after that, just today is the conclusion day. So in this we have just make a ready piece of a model which is controlled by any TV remote or another device like Bluetooth from the phone or any Bluetooth devices. Thank you everyone.